Want to remove objects, fix your photos to generate missing parts of an image, or even move people around like magic? Let me show you how to use AI Photo Assist on your Samsung S26 series. In the latest version, you can also view the image's history, which is explained at the end of the video. Don't miss the end. How to access AI Photo Assist on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, S26 running One UI 8.5. Open the Gallery app. Select any photo you want to edit. Tap the Edit Pencil icon. Now tap on AI Photo Assist or look for the sparkle icon. How to use Photo Assist on any Samsung Galaxy. 1. Remove objects from the photo. Tap on Object Eraser, then draw over the object you want to delete and tap the Erase button at the bottom. AI will instantly clean it up, as if it were never there. One of the coolest features. Let's see next. 2. Move or resize objects. You can select a person or object, then drag to move it or pinch to resize. The AI will automatically fill the background. 3. Enhance photo quality. Open any photo from the gallery, then swipe up to view the options. Tap Remaster. Remaster improves brightness, colors, and sharpness in your photo. 4. Edit image or generate image. Tap on Create. Draw anything you want to generate in the image. Then tap Generate. AI can generate a realistic background to match the scene. Tap on Previous to check the difference between them. 5. Keep editing the photo. You can check your entire photo editing history. Tap on Keep Editing. Tap the history icon in the top right corner. You can see all the edits you apply to your photo, like AI Eraser, Sketch to Image, etc. Tap the photo you want to edit and tap Save Copy after editing. And that's how you use AI Photo Assist on your Samsung S26 series. Thanks for watching.